Welcome back to the channel. This tiny electric camper just broke my brain. What you're looking at is not a toy, not a render of a van life dream, but a three-wheeled electric camper that looks ready to sleep in tonight. And yes, it's smaller than most cars parked next to you right now. Picture this. You pull into a quiet city corner or a mountain overlook, slide open one door, and suddenly there's a bed waiting for you. No roof to pop, no chairs to unfold, no diesel engine ticking as it cools. Just silence, wood tones, and soft lighting. But wait, there's something even stranger coming. From the outside, it feels almost futuristic and friendly. That smooth mint color, the single front wheel. The curved glass nose, it looks more like a gadget than a vehicle. Then you notice how short it is, how narrow it feels, and you realize this thing is designed to fit where vans never could. And that changes everything. Slide the door open and the story flips. Instead of cold metal walls, you get warm wooden panels, a neatly made bed stretching across the back, small shelves holding everyday essentials, and cozy hanging lights that feel more cafe than camper. But here's the question nobody's asking yet. Why does this exist in a world full of massive petrol camper vans? Traditional vans roar, drink fuel, and demand space. This one whispers. No exhaust smell, no giant hood, no intimidation. It feels like camping redesigned for cities, not highways. And that's both its magic and its risk. Because let's be honest, this isn't for a family of four or cross-country chaos. The space looks perfect for one person, maybe two at most. Standing up inside doesn't seem likely. Storage is minimal, but maybe that's the point. This camper feels less like escaping life, and more like slipping between its cracks. Park it where vans can't, sleep where hotels are too expensive, wake up without waking the world. Still, weather, long trips, and rough roads could test its limits. And that's the trade-off you can't ignore. By 2026, this might be what freedom looks like. Smaller, quieter, more intentional. Not about how far you can go, but where you're allowed to stop. So now I want to hear from you. Would you choose this electric tricycle camper over a loud, fuel-hungry camper van? Is this the future of solo van life or a beautiful experiment? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading every single one.